In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the time zone in Notion. Adjusting the time zone in Notion can be a crucial step to ensure that all your notes, schedules, and deadlines are accurately aligned with your location or the time zone you operate in. So let's dive right into it. Start by heading over to the top left corner of your screen. Here, you will see your workspace. Give it a click. This action will prompt a drop-down menu to appear on your screen. Navigating through Notion settings is straightforward, but this initial step lays the foundation for everything else that follows. Once that drop-down menu is open, you will spot the Settings option. Go ahead and click on Settings. It's important to know that this is where you can make various adjustments to your Notion workspace, and adjusting your time zone is just one of them. After you click into Settings, make your way to the Preferences section. It's here where you'll find the language and time options. This is the hub for personalizing some of the most commonly used features in Notion, making sure the system communicates with you in a way that best suits your personal and professional needs. Now, to change your time zone, you'll need to turn off the option that sets the time zone automatically. By default, Notion may automatically detect and set your time zone based on your device's current settings. However, if you're someone who manages teams across different time zones or perhaps travels frequently, having the autonomy to adjust this setting manually is incredibly useful. With the automatic setting toggled off, you now have the freedom to click and select the time zone you prefer. You'll be presented with a list of options. Simply scroll through and choose the time zone that fits your requirements. This minor adjustment can have a major impact on how you manage your tasks, ensuring that everything is synced perfectly, whether you're hosting meetings, scheduling reminders, or working with collaborators worldwide. And just like that, you've successfully changed the time zone in Notion. It really can be that simple. Take a moment to make sure everything appears correctly, especially if you're dealing with upcoming deadlines or meetings. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any further questions about using Notion or need clarification on any of its functions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Remember, staying organized is key to productivity, and adjusting your time zone in Notion is a small yet significant step towards achieving that goal. Happy organizing!